Yes.
Cool.
Nope.
I'll be back. Oh, here, sniff that up. Man, smell that.
You are too.
Oh, yeah.
Law dog system.
Unfortunately.
So sorry.
You should have been with us last night. He was cussing, he was yelling, he was throwing stuff.
My name's Bush, and I'm sorry.
And he says, can't believe this. Every time he throws something, they said I'd laugh at him. They said every time that
Everybody laughs at him, but
every time he would get mad and start yelling and throwing stuff, that I was laughing at him.
Vance, shut up and turn around. Come here, Bush.
What's up, man?
Bush? I don't even know this motherfucker, but take our picture. Not with your tongue sticking out, this fucking nasty.
Look at those two assholes.
This motherfucker's sick. He's sick. Look at this guy.
He's like licking his dick.
He likes licking his dick.
No, you like licking his dick. You get a good one of me?
I am recording y'all too.
Hey,
you got me.